Cattle rearing, also known as cattle farming or cattle raising, refers to the practice of raising cattle for various purposes, including meat, milk, and other byproducts. It involves the management of cattle from birth or acquisition to their maturity or end use. Here is a detailed description of cattle rearing and related products. Breeding and selection. Cattle rearing starts with the selection of suitable breeds for specific purposes. Breeding programs aim to improve desirable traits such as milk production, meat quality, disease resistance, and fertility. Farmers may choose breeds like Holstein, Jersey, Angus, or Hereford, depending on their goals and local conditions.
Housing and infrastructure. Cattle require appropriate housing and infrastructure to ensure their well-being and productivity. Barns or sheds are constructed to provide shelter from extreme weather conditions. The housing should facilitate proper ventilation, adequate space, clean bedding, and easy access to food and water. Fencing is also essential to manage grazing areas and prevent cattle from straying. Nutrition and feeding. Proper nutrition is crucial for the growth, health, and productivity of cattle. Cattle feed typically consists of a combination of roughages, such as hay, silage, or pasture, and concentrates, such as grains, oilseeds, or commercial feed. The feed composition and ration are adjusted based on the age, weight, reproductive stage, and specific nutritional needs of the cattle. Access to fresh water is essential for their well-being.
Healthcare and veterinary management. Ensuring the health of cattle is vital in cattle rearing. Regular veterinary care is necessary to prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases. Vaccinations, deworming, and parasite control programs are implemented to maintain the health and well-being of the animals. Additionally, farmers monitor cattle for signs of illness, provide appropriate medications when needed, and maintain records of vaccinations and treatments. Reproduction and breeding management. Successful breeding and reproduction management are essential for the continuity of the cattle herd. This involves managing the reproductive cycles, heat detection, and artificial insemination, AI, if desired. Pregnancy diagnosis, calving assistance, and postnatal care are crucial for ensuring the health of both the dam and calf. Some farmers also engage in selective breeding programs or utilize reproductive technologies like embryo transfer to improve genetic traits. Milk production and dairy products. In dairy farming, cattle are bred and managed specifically for milk production. Proper milking routines, hygiene practices, and milk storage are essential to maintain milk quality. The milk is collected, processed, and transformed into various dairy products such as liquid milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, ice cream, and other dairy derivatives. Meat production and byproducts. Cattle rearing for meat production involves raising cattle to maturity for their meat. Farmers may engage in various feeding strategies to optimize weight gain and meat quality. At the appropriate age, the cattle are sent to slaughterhouses for meat processing. The meat is then distributed to retailers, butcher shops, restaurants, or other consumers. Additionally, byproducts like bones, fats, and organs may be utilized for purposes such as pet food, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and industrial applications.
Manure management. Cattle produce significant amounts of manure, which can be an important resource for crop fertilization. Proper manure management practices, such as composting or storage in anaerobic digesters, help control odor, reduce environmental impacts, and produce valuable organic fertilizers. Cattle rearing provides livelihoods for farmers, contributes to the food supply chain, and plays a significant role in the agricultural and livestock industry. Sustainable practices, including efficient resource management, animal welfare considerations, and environmental stewardship, are increasingly emphasized in modern cattle rearing operations.